check this out if you want to have a fire, but like you live in a van or you do a lot of camping and some places you go don't have places to cook. So pretty cool. It's got the sides. I mean, this is not with it. That's the heat shield. So it's got sides. So if you put a grate over it, you could cook with it. If you just have some coals, cook some hot dogs that way, or you know, whatever. It's just got a little screen on the bottom. So that's where the ashes go down for the heat. So it does come in a bag. I already knew that, but I figured I'd show you. So it's got a bag, and then they just put some plastic bag around it just to make sure it didn't get scuffed up in the box. Zip up bag. As you can see, everything's new, all strapped together so it goes back nice and neat. So no special tricks. It just slides down into a square. Sides first, then screen. So you just do opposite sides and then just place the screen on and get a fire started. This is a kind of like screen door. I would not use screen door material. It's not meant for high heat. Alright, we got some kindling here. Got some extra pallet wood I can split up. Get the fire going. So, starting pretty good. Got some nice light wood.